In this video, I'm going to show you how to set drawing limits. Setting limits is an essential skill for anyone working with Autocad because it allows you to define an invisible boundary that helps manage your workspace more effectively. This boundary not only controls the grid display, but also restricts where you can click or enter point locations within the drawing area. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep everything organized and within the working area you're focusing on. Let's dive right in. To set limits in Autocad, first go to the command line. The command we need is called limits, so type limits into the command line and press enter. This tells Autocad that you want to establish a rectangular boundary in your drawing. To better understand this, imagine I've created a square that is 1,000 by 1,000 units. This square represents the area I want to set as my limits. To set these limits properly, we need to define 2 points, the lower left corner and the upper right corner of our limit boundary. For the square I've prepared, the lower left corner is at 0, 0. This is the origin point. Next, we define the upper right corner. Based on the size of our square, this corner is at 1,000, 1,000. By setting these 2 points, we specify the exact area where all our work should be contained. Once you've defined these points, the next crucial step is enabling the limits. You do this by typing limits into the command line again and pressing enter. After that, type on and press enter. This activates the boundary we've defined. Now that the limits are active, Autocad will enforce these boundaries. If you try to draw a line that starts inside the limit boundary but extends beyond it, Autocad will restrict you from doing so. Similarly, if you try to start a line from outside this boundary, it simply won't allow you to begin. This restriction is incredibly useful when you want to maintain a clean and organized workspace, ensuring all your drawings stay within a designated area. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up and activated limits in Autocad, helping you manage your drawing area with precision and efficiency. Mastering this feature ensures your projects remain as organized and accurate as possible. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.